Welcome to Naija Kids Tech Learn. Let's learn about computers. Let's go!
Hello, friends! Today we're learning keyboard shortcut keys from A to Z. Let's learn together. Control A.
Select all.
Control B.
Bold.
Control C.
Copy.
Control D.
Font style.
Control E. Center align. Control F.
Find.
Control G.
Go to.
Control H.
Replace.
Control I.
Italic.
Control J.
Justify.
Control K.
Insert hyperlink.
Control L.
Left align.
Control M.
Tab.
Control N. New document. Control O. Open document. Control P. Print. Control Q. 1.15 line spacing. Control R. Right align. Control S. Save. Control T.
Left indentation.
Control U.
Underline.
Control V.
Paste.
Control W. Close document. Control X.
Cut.
Control Y.
Redo.
Control Z.
Undo.
Undo. Excellent job! Now you know the keyboard shortcut keys from A to Z. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn with Naija Kids Tech Learn.
Welcome to Naija Kids Tech Learn. Let's learn about computers. Let's go!